everyone, today I am going to show you how to make rope plant holders which are in a great trend these days. Without further ado, let's get started. We'll be needing a wool, or you can use a twine, a rope, white rope, a cotton white rope holds perfectly, or you can use a macram also. And here I'm having wool, so I'm using wool, and we'll be needing a pair of scissors to cut the rope. We have to measure the rope and then cut it, and we'll be needing a cello tape to secure the wool. So let's get started. Now we'll take a one end of the wool and measure it for 20 centimeters. Here I am measuring the wool for 20 centimeters. If you want the holder to be strong, you can take 16 strands of the wool. Every time the strands must be the even number, not the odd. Here we have taken the wool of 20 centimeters and we have taken 16 strands of the wool, each 20 centimeters, and make sure everything is straight and no strands are tangled to each other. Keep it straight, and towards the one end of the wool we are going to tie it up. So take 10 centimeters of the wool, tie it up, and make sure it is strong and secure, as we are going to hang the pot holder from this side. We are done with tying the rope. Here we are having the excess wool. We will be cutting the excess wool. Now towards the other end we will cut the wool so that all strands are equal. Here you can see strands are not equal, so to make sure strands are equal we will be cutting it. Don't stretch the wool, you just need to cut it. So cut it in a straight line. Here I am cutting it in a straight line. If you want, you can take the measurement and then cut it. In order to get the pot holder, we have to divide the strands. Here I am dividing 4 strands into one section. Here you can see each section is having 4 strands. So we'll be dividing 4 sections. Here I am using a cello tape to secure at the end. If you can also use a weight. If you are using a weight, make sure the remaining part should not move. So here I am using a cello tape to secure it. This is the best way to do it. Now from the first section, which are having 4 strands, we'll be dividing that into 2 each. Now we'll be taking the second section and we'll be dividing it into 2 strands of each. So here we will be making a knot. You have to measure from the top such that all the knot should be in the equal length. Here I have taken 5 centimeters from the top and tying a knot. Make sure the knot is tight and secure. We have to repeat the same step with all the sessions. Here we have to make sure for the length. Now we will be taking 2 strands from the third session and the 2 strands which are left in the second session, and we will be making it a knot. Same, we have to repeat the same step. We have to take 5 centimeters from the top and make a knot. You have to make sure the knot is tight and secure, and make sure all the knots are in a equal length. And here from the third session I am taking 2 strands, and from the last session I am taking 2 strands and will be tying a knot. Here we are left with 2 strands from the first session, 2 strands from the last session. Just leave it for now. We will be working on the second, third and fourth session for now. Here we will be dividing second session into 2 strands each, third session into 2 strands each, fourth session into 2 strands each. We have to make sure everything is straight. Now we will be leaving the first 2 strands and we'll be working on second and third 2 strands. We'll be tying a knot. You have to make sure the length from the first knot and make a tight knot and secure it. You have to always keep in mind about the length, and all the knots should be in straight line. Just I have we'll be working on the remaining sessions. So we'll be taking the first and the last session which we have left the last time, and we'll be making a first knot at length of 5 centimeters. Here I am making a knot, and then we'll be dividing that session into 2 strands each. I have divided that into 2 strands each, and the remaining which I have left, those 2 should be tied into a second knot of a distance of 3 centimeters. Here I am making a knot. We are done with making knots for all the sections. Now collect all the sections and make a big knot at the end. Make sure the knot is tight and secure. Remove the tape and pot hanger is ready. Let's just put a pot and check it.